The animated delay function allows us to add a millisecond delay in between a sequence or a chain of animations, which means it can only be used with a series of animations like sequence, parallel, or stagger. To use it, we need to define a sequence of animations. So we'll say animated.sequence, which will then take an array of our animations. We'll say animated.timing, which will take our this.state.color animation to value of 1 with a duration of 500 milliseconds. We'll then say animated.timing for our this.state.scale animation, say to value of 2 with a duration of 300 milliseconds. So this will cause our animation to change colors and then also scale up. We'll then do an animated.delay of 1500 milliseconds. So if we just call start on this, refresh, we can see what happens. This will both do a sequence of timing. So first this one and then this one. The start function would then be delayed 1500 milliseconds while we waited for this animated delay to happen. However, there's other things that you could potentially do. You could then use something like an animated parallel or some other sequence to animate more animations or the same animations back to its starting position. So in our case, we'll do an animated parallel, and that will take an array. We'll then do animated.timing on our this.state.color animation to value of 0, which was the starting position, with a duration of 500 milliseconds. And then we'll also do our animated.timing of our this.state.scale animation to value of 1 with a duration of 300 milliseconds as well. So you can see here we have a delay in between these two that executed one after the other, and then another series of animations that will then execute at the same time. So if we refresh this, we can see that this will then wait 1500 milliseconds and then do these two animations in parallel.